So this is test one. Testing the Raspberry Pi, opening my garage door from either a tablet or a phone. See, I'll come up here, got the garage door opener. We got my Raspberry Pi up there. It's on the wireless. Got all my wires plugged in here. Garage door is closed. We'll come down here on my tablet. Have my test website up. This is just a temporary site right now, but you'll see my little garage test button there. So we will come here, give it a test, and see if our garage door opens. Push the button. There it goes. Gives me a garage door. Push back on that and slap it again. Hold on. Push it. Closes. Look at that. From tablet and phone, close my garage door.